Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to create a game pass on Roblox. So first of all, go ahead and open up your Roblox. Creating a game pass on Roblox is a great way to offer special features or perks in your game. Here's a quick guide on how to create one. So first of all, log into your Roblox and then go to basically create. All right. Basically, in the create option, you're gonna be able to see, not here, you're gonna be able to see it on your website on Roblox. Select your game, and under my creations, click on games and then select the game which you want to create a game pass. Access the game pass by clicking the store tab on the left sidebar and then click create game pass, and then you're gonna upload an image, and then you're gonna be able to enter the game pass details, create the game pass, and then configure game pass in Roblox Studio. Additional tips: make sure to promote your game pass within your game and through your social media to encourage players to purchase it. If you want to do it on your phone, you could just go back to your screen and then go ahead to the Roblox website and follow along the necessary steps that I mentioned before. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.